I'm going to say something that might make you want to click off this video. But if you stay, it might be the only thing that actually changes your life this year. You don't have a time management problem. You have a truth problem. We all say the same thing: I'd start that business, I'd hit the gym, I'd learn that language, if I just had more time. Stop. You have the same 24 hours as the people who are actually doing those things. You aren't busy. You're just leaking your life into things that don't matter. The screen time audit. Most of us think we spend, maybe an hour, on our phones, but the data doesn't lie. The average American spends over 4 hours a day on their phone. Think about that. Over the course of a year, that is 60 full days. 2 entire months of your year are spent scrolling past people you don't know, doing things you don't care about, while your own dreams sit in a folder labeled, someday. You didn't lose that time. You gave it away. You were robbed, and you handed the thief your passcode. The currency mindset. If someone walked up to you and asked for $500, you'd ask questions. You'd want to know why. You'd protect your money. But when a random Netflix show or a mindless social media feed asks for 3 hours of your life, you hand it over without a second thought. Here is the productive mindset shift: time is a non-refundable currency. You can always make more money. You can never make more time. Every hour you spend is a trade. You are trading a piece of your existence for whatever you are doing right now. Is that trade worth your life? Fancy procrastination. We also love to hide behind productive procrastination. I'm just researching. I'm just organizing my workspace. I'm just waiting for the right moment. No, you're just scared. You're filling your day with low-stakes tasks because the high-stakes work, the stuff that actually moves the needle, feels hard. A productive mindset isn't about doing things. It's about doing the one thing you're currently avoiding. The calendar flip. Successful people don't find time. They take it. If it isn't on your calendar, it doesn't exist. If you hope to work on your project after dinner, it's not going to happen. You'll be tired, you'll see the remote, and you'll lose. You have to schedule your goals like they're a doctor's appointment. You wouldn't skip a surgery because you felt like scrolling TikTok, would you? Then why do you skip your own future? The 7-day challenge. Here is my challenge for you. For the next 7 days, I want you to be a scientist of your own life. Track every hour. Everything. At the end of the week, look at that list. It's going to be painful. You're going to see exactly where your potential is dying. But that pain is a good thing. Because once you see it, you can't unsee it. You'll realize that you don't need a miracle to reach your goals. You just need to stop giving your life away to things that don't deserve it. You have enough time. You just haven't decided to use it yet. Build the mindset. Take back your life. If this hit a nerve, good. Hit the like button, subscribe to Productive Mindset, and comment, Day 1, below if you're taking the 7-day challenge. Let's get to work.